this equation, type your answer in the box below. I've already written the equation on the right because we're going to need a lot of space to solve. So in the first step, you could distribute the 1/3 times the x and then distribute the 1/3 times the -12. However, I think it takes less steps if you were to just multiply by the reciprocal. So whenever you have a certain number of groups, so in this case we have 1/3 groups of x minus 12. So whatever's in the parentheses, you call that a group. So instead, we're going to multiply by 3 over 1. So we're multiplying by the reciprocal of 1 over 3 because that will give us just one group. Just to show you over here, 1 over 3 times 3 over 1. We just multiply across. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So by multiplying by 3 over 1, we'll get one group of x minus 12. So when we rewrite it, we would just write x minus 12. We were able to get rid of the parentheses and the number outside of the parentheses. And then since we multiplied the right side by 3 over 1, we also have to multiply the left side by 3. So 3 times a half x would give us 3 halves x. And then 3 times -7 would be -21. Now in this step, we just need to combine like terms. So let's add 21 to both sides of the equation. Now -21 plus 21 is 0, so that's gone on the left side. On the left side, now we just have 3 over 2x equals x, this x here, and then -12 plus 21 would be 9. And then we need to get all of the x's on one side. So let's subtract x on both sides. So x minus x is 0, so now that's gone. So on the right side, we just have that it equals 9. And then if you have 3 halves x and you take away x, then you just have half x. Or in other words, 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So if you had 1.5x and you took away 1x, you just have 0.5x or half x. So same thing with the reciprocal. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal of 1 over 2, which is 2 over 1. Why are we doing that? Because we want to know what 1x equals, not what a half x equals. So we'll multiply this by 2, and we'll multiply this side by 2. And then we would get x is equal to, 9 times 2 is 18. X is equal to 18. And then you can always double check your answer by going back to the original equation, plugging in the 18 for x, and solving to see if you get a true statement. That something is equal to something, but that it's a true statement.